Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our Ford Mondeo Titanium X Business Edition. So this is our 2014 Ford Mondeo Titanium X Business Edition. It's covered just over 100,000 miles from new, has only had 2 former keepers, and has got 10 service stamps in the book, 6 of which are main dealer. Whilst in our care, we've replaced the all-important cambelt and water pump, given it a service, fresh MOT, and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. It's a great looking car with impact blue bodywork. Got the privacy glass in the rear too. Overall, it's in good nick for the age and mileage. A few stone chips here and there and a few little marks, but really not bad for the age and mileage. Inside, you've got the leather and suede seats. You've got touchscreen sat-nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, power fold mirrors. It's a 6-speed manual with the 2-litre diesel engine. And inside's all in pretty good nick for the age and mileage. Odd little bit here and there, but again, it's really nothing to worry about. Loads of rear legroom and knees. Very practical motors. Loads of space. And the same with the boot. Considering this isn't an estate, it's got a very big practical boot. Excellent motor. Nicely equipped with the touchscreen sat nav and odd little bits like that. Front and rear parking sensors too. Tyres are all in good condition. Overall, a very nice, tidy motor. And it does stand out with this nice impact blue paintwork. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.